Well, it's all about the light. Welcome to Sam Outside. I'm Sam, and, well, I'm outside. I'm trying to capture the best part of my day. Well, I actually get two chances to do that because it's all about the light. So, countries, corporations, institutions, and even individuals are spending hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars to invest in the development and the efficiency of high performing athletes. And they're doing it with three concepts. One of them being magnetism. That's right. They are using magnets to get the most out of the muscle, the brain, the internal organs, the entire system. Magnetism helps promote the healing, distribution of energy, and amazing differences. Now, the second theory, or the second option, is oxygen. Yeah, you get someone to perform cardiovascular activities with 90%, 95% oxygen. Whoa. What it's doing to the heart, what it's doing to the muscles, what it's doing to the efficiency of message and nutrient distribution within the internal organs and the bloodstream, absolutely amazing. All right. Hey, I mean, when we've got people who are in need, we turn to oxygen first, right? And yeah, just absolutely amazing. Best part of my day. The third introduction is light. Now, more specifically, it's the red light. We all know that the light spectrum is broken up into 7 wavelengths, and those different wavelengths, they power our cells. We are powered. Every single cell in our body is receiving energy from the sun. All right. So yeah, I mean, we take vitamin D, we need vitamin C, we know all that stuff, but it's not usable unless the solar energy completes that natural reaction. Now, obviously, the more cells in our body interact with direct sunlight, the better. But you can see by my environment, it's a pretty cool morning out here, right? It's going to be a warm day, and this is what I'm doing right now. Without any budget, I'm trying to capture the most effective wavelengths. It's the red and the purples. All right, red light therapy. All right, again, fueling, energizing our cells, activating other nutrients, amino acids, muscle repair. We love it. We need it. Some of our most powerful memories are of beautiful sunsets. We're just drawn to it. They're special. All right. Yeah. They're ephemeral. Right. They don't last forever. We take for granted the power of the sun. So we get the sunset, and that's what most of us can appreciate, but the sunrise, it takes a special person to do that. So if you have no budget, magnetism, try some earthing or grounding. Yeah. Just use as much skin exposed to the natural bioelectric rhythms of the earth itself, and you will be in tune with the earth. All right. You'll regulate your heart rhythms. You'll control the rest of the bioelectric feedback in your own internal systems. All right. And as far as oxygen, man, you just got to learn to breathe. All right. A lot of breathing exercises will help promote the intake of oxygen, make you more efficient. Regulate every single process in your body, but don't forget to get long exhales to get rid of that carbon dioxide. And finally, light. I mean, you can get grow lights, and there's light therapy to help deal with depression, nature deficit disorder, if you're sad, right? Seasonal affective disorder. But man, this is beautiful. It's my therapy. Getting a lot of it through my eyes, and if it weren't so cold out, I'd have a little more skin exposed, but here I am. So find a way to magnetize yourself. You can buy a grounding mat. If you're at your desk, you're standing washing your dishes in your kitchen, ground yourself. Walk on the earth, barefoot, lie on it. After that, just start to do some breathing exercises and catch a sunset, catch a sunrise, buy a grow light. Look after yourself, all right? You're worth it. Nature has all the solutions, so go outside. I appreciate you very much. And I just want to thank the amazing people at the Adventure Company. That's right. They made a small donation to Sam Outside and imparted with me this this ink-infused beanie. Much appreciated. Thank you very much, family and friends at the Adventure Company. Thank you for watching, everyone. Talk to you soon. Get some therapy. Go outside. Bye-bye.